Yes.
Because an iPhone also has this particular. This is iPhone Android. This is how they work. So the phone is charging. It's been charging, but it's not retaining current. It's not, feeding the battery. It's not charging.
The iPhone, you will see just 0%.
Yes, the 0% remaining. Now, that 0% remaining is caused by a diode. Like I said, a 3 ground diode. 3 ground diode.
And that diode now will be around this area.
Yes, it's always around this side. Yes, it's always around this side. Exactly, it's always around this. So I think this is a consistency with what we just explained. Majorly on, let me just give you how it is on iPhone. Let me say 7 plus 8 plus X. Yes. Now I'll just do the diagram. These are, let's say this is the panel. Let me just say this is the panel. This is the battery connector. This is the battery connector. Around this place, we have the diode here. Okay, now let me label this. We have this place. 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, around this place, we have about 3 diodes here. 1, 2, 3. Majorly, all this iPhone X, iPhone X, 8 Plus, they are always around this side. So now this is the NTC here. NTC. Sorry, the V battery. Yes, V bat plus. Don't mind me. V bat plus. V bat plus. So this is it here. We have the NTC here. Then we have the ground. We have the BSI here. Do you understand?
Yes.
So there's a particular. You see this V